Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a file, or they sent me a question, and something had to be drawn perfectly and to the exact dimensions, and he was in millimeters, so I'm going to do it in millimeters. I just set my inches to millimeters, and it is a piece of wood. You can't really tell right now. I've got red hairlines, and the opening is 105 millimeters. This side piece of wood is 35. It's 72, 15, and 10 on each side. And they asked how you could draw that. Well, I know the outside dimension is 155 by I don't have that dimension, so I'm going to take the parallel dimension tool. I'm going to get on that node right there by 92. So it's 92 by 155. So we're going to take our rectangle tool and we're going to draw a rectangle, and we're going to make it 155 with the ratio unlocked by 92. There's our first block. And this is how I would do things. This interior piece of the wood is 15 millimeters off the edge. So over here. So let's zoom in here. And we're going to take a 2-point line, and we are going to draw a line, and we are going to grab it with the pick tool till we get our cross, and we're going to snap it to that node. Now overlapping, it doesn't really matter. We're going to change our nudge distance to 10 millimeters. I think that's what it's 15. So we need to go 15 millimeters. We're going to take that line, and you can tell you just got that line instead of the block. And we're going to, I must have hit the delete key. No, 15,000 millimeters. 15 millimeters, and move it over. Our second one is 35 millimeters. So I'm going to take that line again. I'm going to make a duplicate. And then I'm going to take it until I get my 4-way cross, and I'm going to move that line to here. Now I'm going to change this to 35. Click on our line. We know I have our line because we don't have our box. And now we have that. Now we need another line. At least, that wasn't very good. At least holding down the control button so it's parallel. And take it and move it right here, and we know we need 10 millimeters. Grab our line, move it down. Control D, make a duplicate of that. Wait till we get our 4-way cross, move it down till it snaps to that node and move it up. Now I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill this in. Move that out of the way. You know what? It'd be better. Let's start all over. Let's just delete that. Let's put our nudge factor. We know it's like, let's make it 200 millimeters. Let's take our Smart Fill tool and click it one time over. Now we can take our rectangle and move it down for just a second. Get rid of these lines. Move our rectangle back up. Take our Smart Fill and left click, right click, and move it over. Now we have that exact dimensions. So let's just double check, because we did the inside. Let's see what the inside dimension is. It's 105. This rectangle is 105 by 72. So this is a perfect scaled model of what you need. And I would have no fear that this is going to be dead on, because we've got all the dimensions are there. We started off with 105 and 92. We've got 35, 15, 10, and 10. And we've got this exact same. Let's just test it. Let's put P and put it in the center of the page. Left click, right click in black. Take our new red one and put P and put it in the center of the page. And they are on top of each other. So we're dead on. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.